Hi everybody, Tom Urban here at Esteban. I wanted to show you something we've done. We've been hearing a lot of people out there in the field that are not using SD recorders, and they would prefer to just use their phone to take a picture of the screen, and that's okay, except there's like a couple difficulties with that. One, you get glare, and two, you get everything else in between. And surprisingly enough, I'm having other customers say, I got this image of the main side of my chimney and it's all glary and I can't make out what it is. Bottom line is, so we decided to do something to help you do that. This is something we first initially started out with years and years ago, called a screen shooter with a Polaroid on it. Well, Polaroids are totally gone, but what we did is we re-opted it so that you could use your cell phone, and this is what we did, and it worked out to do a twofold thing. One, it stops glare, so in other words, if you wish to go outside and use this, you can see the screen, which is really great, and especially sunny days. Or if you're inside, you're just doing your regular scan, the glare within the room is stopped and you can see the screen so much clearer. We're really surprised on just how well it works. Then when you want to take an image, I'm going to bring this right back down for you again, and I just take my cell phone and I just stick it in here like so, and as soon as I get that, there we go, and then I just put these guys across here like this so it doesn't roll out. I just hit, turn on my photo and just sit there and press the button. I have full access to my cell phone on the front of it. Then when I'm doing the scan, I can just go up like this, look at what I'm doing, and come back down and do that. Now it's loose in here because there's a variety of different cameras, but we do send some foam pads for you. You apply the foam pads to get your phone to set where it needs to be. After that, you're done. It's that simple. Just take it in, take it out, you're ready to go. As far as taking the cone off, that's even cooler yet. I'll take my phone out for a sec here. All they have to do is just take it. There's a bob thing. It pops off, but you put it back in your bag, and you're set to go. And that's it. Then the unit just goes ahead and closes up, and you put it back in your bag. And you can see there's a bracket underneath it. That's to help you keep the unit at a level that makes it convenient for you to use. So let me show you close up here. So what I've actually done now, to get this out of the way, is to show you the bracket that we designed to go around with this. So by lifting the unit up like this, it makes it much easier for you to see while you're doing your scan. So to put it on, all you have to do is just take it off like this. Simple. It folds like this, goes in your case. This way here, it's up, out, and you just pick it up. I set it behind here like so. There she goes. Locks down like this. And I can even, if you don't even want to use the hood, you don't have to, and this is great just for scanning just for that alone. But if not, then here's the cone, here's the little knob. There's two little D ports right here. You just drop it on like this, bring it over to here, turn it sideways, and it's on. And it doesn't really come off really quick or easy. So easy enough, but yet stable enough so while you're doing your scan work. So that's what we did. We put this together. We're working on one for the 211, but this one here we wanted to get out. We got it set up, and it works. It works really great. So that's what it looks like. It's called a screen shooter, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot. Take care.